Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope everybody's doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this beautiful shawl. It's a V-stitch granny triangle shawl. Very easy to do. It's a repetition of one row only throughout the work. I have used around 4 to 5 yarn skeins, and it's very quick to make. So if you want to see how to achieve it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using a medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. You can use cotton yarn best for this pattern, medium worsted as well. So I'm gonna start with the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Onto the next row, I'm gonna chain 3 and I will turn. So I've got the chain 1 space in my previous V-stitch. I'm gonna make 2 V-stitches. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and again in the same space 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. In the chain 2 space I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. And in my last V-stitch, chain 1 space of the previous V-stitch, I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, which is again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Onto the next row, chain 3. It's basically a repetition of one row throughout the work. Just an increase at the beginning of the row. That's it. So again, I've got my V-stitch previous one here. I'm gonna make 2 V-stitches. And then 1 V-stitch in the previous V-stitch or chain 1 space. In the chain 2 space I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. One V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. And in the next chain 1 space from the previous V-stitch, 1 V-stitch. And the last one. And 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So this is how it looks so far. We're gonna continue the same onto the next row. Chain 3, 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space, in the chain 2 space, 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch. And we continue. V-stitch in every chain 1 space. And in the last one, and 1 double crochet in the last row. So we continue the same till 12 rows. So we're gonna do 12 row of granny V-stitch triangle for this bandana. So basically you start the row with a chain 3, then 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space, first chain 1 space, then 1 V-stitch in each chain 1 space until the corner. In the corner, which is a chain 2, you make 1 V-stitch, chain 2, 1 V-stitch, and then again 1 V-stitch in each chain 1 space, and you end with 1 double crochet in the last stitch until row 12, and then we'll go to the next step. So as I have showed you how to make this granny triangle shawl, it is made a total of 36 rows. It is a long tail shawl, and like I said, I have used around 4 skeins of yarn. You can make more rows if you wish, but this is fine for me. You'll find all the details of the shawl, the measurement and everything you need in the written pattern, as always, linked in the description box. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it useful. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.